What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode on Full Throttle. My name is Charlie, and today I'm going to be talking about something that's actually really cool. So we're going to be trying something that I don't think anybody has ever done before, and I'll just start by showing you the car that we just stripped. So this is a 2013 370Z. It's not much of a car anymore, but you can see we took everything. So we took every single piece of wiring, every module. We even took the whole dash reinforcement bar, the heater core, the blower box. Everything is out of here, every single piece of wiring. So there's no wiring left in this whole entire car. So what we're going to be doing actually with all of that wiring is we're going to throw it all into a 350Z and try to retain the functions like keyless push button start and all that kind of stuff. And so these are the boxes right here. You can see all the wiring inside of the car. There's more wiring down here. We've got the dashboard and everything up there, speedometer, everything, like literally everything from the car, the center console, all that stuff. We're gonna try to wire all into a 350Z, and like we even have the diff, the transmission, the engine, every module, all the wiring, center console, dash, speedometer, all that stuff. We're even gonna do the seats. So we kept all the wiring. There was only I think there's only one broken plug on the whole car. I'll put a couple of pictures right here. And this right here is where we got the car. We got it from Copart, and you can see the amount of damage that's on the car. Like, it's smacked pretty hard in the front, it's smacked pretty hard in the rear, and yeah, we're pretty lucky that all the plugs and everything is still on the car. That are pretty much all the functional plugs that we need are still on the car and still good. The only one that was broken was one of the fender lights. So on the 370Z, in the same position as the 350Z, where it has just the logo on the fender, on the 370Zs, it's a light. So that's the only thing that was broken on. I'm pretty sure that's the only thing from the whole car that was broken. So that car right there is actually Mark's car. And Mark, we've been talking about VHR or HR swapping his car for quite some time. It's a 35th anniversary edition 350Z with the Brembo brakes, and it used to have a rev-up engine, but the rev-up engine is an engine we used on that red car. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, if I haven't edited it yet, then it'll be coming out soon, and you guys will see that. But I just wanted to post this. It's going to be a pretty fun little journey that we've got ahead of us. And as far as I know, I don't think anybody's ever retained all the functions from a whole 370Z into a 350Z. So stuff like the dash, speedometer, modules, all that stuff from a 370 into a 350. As far as I know, nobody else has done it yet. If you guys know anybody that's done it, drop it in the comment section below. But for right now, the next video you guys see will probably be us stripping that car and taking everything out of it, doing pretty much everything that we did to this car. And you can see just how much stuff has to come out. And we've got a lot ahead of us. So this is how the car looks right now. And the next time we put out a video, it'll probably be us doing this to the yellow Z. But all right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys later.